Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Basecamp. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Basecamp works. So if you have no idea about Basecamp and how to get started, then this video is for you. Basecamp is a powerful project management tool that can help you and your team stay organized and collaborate effectively. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of using Basecamp. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Basecamp tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account. And if you already have an account, just skip this step. First, click on Try Basecamp for free. After clicking on the Try Basecamp for free button, you will be prompted to select a plan. Depending on your needs and preferences, choose a plan that suits you. By the way guys, if you want to use Basecamp as a project management tool, I'd recommend Monday.com over Basecamp. Why? Well, Monday is a more robust project management platform, while Basecamp is both a project management and team communication app. Monday has advanced project management tools like automated workflows and project views. Basecamp focuses on chat and message boards for finer communication. Another area where they differ is in the pricing model. Monday's pricing model works on a per-user per-month basis. Basecamp has only two paid plans. One where Basecamp is more expensive than Monday. The other one is where Basecamp is more cheaper than Monday, where you're charged a one-off fee, regardless of the number of users. Basecamp's reporting capabilities are more limited, while Monday's is more capable in this regard, with capabilities like chart and workload view. To make the story short, if your team is small and you're looking for an advanced tool to manage your projects, then I recommend Monday. Monday is the way to go. So if you want to explore more about Monday.com, check out my Monday tutorial on how to use Monday.com. Link in the description. But if your team members are many and you want a project management and team communication app, then Basecamp is the way to go by selecting the Pro Unlimited plan, $349 per month. But for now, let's continue with how to use Basecamp so you can make a decision on your own. Once you have selected a plan, you will be required to enter your name, email address, and organization name. The next step is to create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a secure and strong password to protect your account. After creating your password, click on Create My New Account and wait to be redirected to your dashboard. The Basecamp dashboard is simple and easy to navigate. When you access the dashboard, you'll see a navigation panel at the top that includes different tabs such as Home, Lineup, Pings, Hey, Activity, My Stuff, and Find. These tabs allow you to quickly access different features and functionalities of Basecamp. The Home tab in Basecamp is the default tab and the central hub for managing your projects. Here you can create a new project by clicking on Make a New Project. A pop-up window will appear where you can provide a name, description, and schedule for your project. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on Create this project to create a new project. After creating a project, you can pin it to the Home tab, and all the pinned projects will appear here. In addition to project creation, the Home tab is also the place to invite people to your project. You can easily invite someone to join your project by clicking on the Invite People button. This feature enables collaboration among team members and helps to manage projects more effectively. The Home tab also displays your upcoming events and your schedule card, helping you to keep track of important dates and deadlines. Furthermore, the Home tab also features the Assignment card, which shows all the assignments that you have in Basecamp. This card serves as a reminder for your pending tasks and helps you prioritize your work accordingly. The Lineup tab allows you to plot projects on a visual timeline. With Lineup, you can get a quick snapshot of what projects are currently in progress, who is working on each project, and when each project is scheduled to start and end. This can be especially helpful for teams with multiple ongoing projects, as it allows you to easily track progress and deadlines. To add a project to the lineup, simply add a start and end date to the project in Basecamp. Once the dates have been added, the project will automatically appear on the lineup timeline. The Pings tab allows you to communicate with your teammates. Unlike messages or comments, Pings are not visible to the rest of the project team, making them a great way to have a private conversation or exchange sensitive information. To start a ping, you can simply type the name of the person you want to chat with in the search bar at the top of the Basecamp interface. Once the person has been selected, a new ping window will open, allowing you to send and receive messages in real time. Pings are an excellent way to have short and private conversations with team members without creating unnecessary messages or comments in the project. They can also be used for exchanging files, links, or other types of information that may not be relevant to the entire team. The Hey tab in Basecamp is a centralized location for all notifications and mentions within a project. It provides you with a quick and easy way to stay up to date with new messages, comments, and to-dos that are relevant to you. When you are mentioned in a message, comment, or to-do within a project, a notification will appear in the Hey tab. You can then click on the notification to quickly navigate to the relevant item and respond or complete the task as needed. In addition to notifications, the Hey tab also displays a list of recent activity within the project, including new messages, comments, and completed to-dos. This allows you to easily catch up on what's been happening in the project since your last visit. The Activity tab provides a summary of all the latest project activities. It's designed to help team members stay informed about what's happening within a project by consolidating all project activities in one place. The tab is divided into several sections, including all the latest activity, someone's assignments, to-dos added and completed, overdue to-dos, and upcoming dates. Each section provides a different view of the project activity, making it easy for you to filter and find the information they need. The My Stuff tab provides you with quick access to important information and tools relevant to them. The tab is divided into several sections, including My Assignments, My Bookmarks, My Schedule, My Drafts, My Recent Activity, My Boosts, and Recently Visited Places. The Find tab in Basecamp is similar to a search bar. You can use it to look for anything within your Basecamp account. Now, let's see how to create a new project in Basecamp and how to work in projects. Creating a new project in Basecamp is an easy process that can be done in a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Home tab and click on the Make a New Project button at the top of the screen. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can enter the project name and description. If you want to add a start or end date, click on Project Schedule to set up the dates. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on Create this project to create the new project. After creating the project, another window will appear where you'll see the 5 tools that are part of every project by default. These tools are Message Board, To-Dos, Docs and Files, Campfire, and Schedule. You can organize these in the order you want them. Posting in the message board of a project is ideal for making announcements, pitching ideas, asking questions to everyone on the project, and more. Every project you start automatically has the To-Do tool. Use this to make lists of tasks that need to get done, assign those out, and set due dates. Individual to-dos need to belong to a list, so that's where you'll start. Give it a title and type out a description if you'd like to. Now, start with the individual to-dos by giving it a title. You can get descriptive here by adding notes, designating when it's due, assigning it to anyone you're on that project with, and even choose to notify someone specific when it's done. Under the Docs and Files tool, you can easily organize all of your reference materials, shared files, and other important documents. You can start a new doc, or you can upload files and more options. Sometimes posting a message isn't necessary and you want to chat in real time. Campfire is the place to be. Every project has its own campfire room. When you want to add a comment, type your text at the bottom of the window and hit Enter. Next, use the Schedule tool to keep track of dated to-dos and upcoming events with your team. To add an event, find the date for your event on the schedule and click Plus New Event up top, or add an event below the calendar grid. If a project doesn't require all of the project tools, you can disable them. To do so, click the 3 dots at the top right side and then select Change Tools from the drop-down menu. Then toggle off the tool that you don't need. Please note that any changes you make to the project tools will be applied to all team members working on the project. For instance, if you turn off automatic check-ins, it will also be turned off for everyone else in the project. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Basecamp. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can.